Here we are doing some integral problems. This one is integral of cube root of x plus 6 divided by cube root of x with respect to x. So we can write it as x to the power 1/3 plus 6 times x to the power negative 1/3. Because in x to the power 1/3 is in the denominator, it can come up and become negative. So the rule which we are going to use here is integral of x to the power n, which is power add by the new power plus c. So here 1/3 plus 1 divided by the new power plus 6 is constant multiplier, keep it in the side, negative 1/3 plus 1 by negative 1/3 plus 1 plus always add a c at the end of the problem. So we have x to the power 4/3 by 4/3 plus 6, x to the power negative 1/3 plus 1 is 2/3 divided by 2/3 plus c. This 4/3 is in the denominator. It will flip and become 3/4 because it's dividing. X 4/3. Again, this 2/3 can flip and becomes 3/2. So this will become 3/2 times 6. X to the power 2/3 plus 6. This 2 can cancel. 2 times 3 is 6. 3/4 x 4/3 plus 3 times 3 9 x to the power 2/3 plus c. This is your answer. Here is another integral problem. This can be written as integral of 5. 5 is just a constant. 2 times x to the power negative 2. Integral of a constant with respect to x is kx plus c. Integral of x to the power n is power add plus 1 by n plus 1 plus always add a c. So what do we have? Integral of 5 is 5x because 5 is just a constant plus 2 is a constant multiplier, so leave it here. X to the power negative 2 plus 1 by negative 2 plus 1 plus c. 5x plus 2 times x to the power negative 1 by negative 1 plus c. 5x negative positive negative 2 x to the power negative 1 will go in the denominator. This is your answer. Here is an integral written in different format. So we've not learned any integration as a product thing. There's no product rule in integration directly. So first we need to do is distribute and simplify this. This is going to look like 2u square plus u plus when 4 multiplies with 2u is 8u. This is 4 du. We are integrating with respect to u here. Variable is not x. 2u square plus u plus 8u is 9u plus 4 with respect to u. Again, the formula used if you are integrating with respect to x, the formula was power add by the new power. So 2 is just a constant multiplier. So integral of u square would be u cubed by 3 plus 9 is a constant multiplier. There is no power of u here. That means it's just 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 plus 4 is just a constant multiplier. Integral of a constant is just constant with the variable. In our case, the variable is u plus always write a c. So actually this is your answer. There is not much you can change here. Integral of x plus cosine x with respect to x. The first integral, the power is 1, so we can use the power rule. Power add by the new power plus c. Integral of cosine x with respect to x is sine x. Please remember that integral of cosine is not negative sign, it's opposite. Okay, so integral of cosine is sine only. So here x's integral will be power plus 1, 2 divided by 2, plus integral of cosine is sine of x. And once you write the integral, you always need to end up with the constant of integration, c. Here is another problem. The integral is of 2 plus tangent square theta. So we don't have direct formula for tangent square theta, but we know that tangent square theta can be written as secant square theta minus 1. This is your trig identity. So you can write this integral as 2 plus, in place of tangent, I can put secant square theta minus 1 with respect to theta. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus secant square theta d theta. Now we have a formula, integral formula for secant square theta, that is tangent theta. So this now can be integrated. Integral of 1 is just a constant with respect to theta would be k theta. So here it will be theta plus integral of secant square theta is tangent theta plus c. Here we have another problem. This has radicals and also it is in the fraction. It's a quotient. So we don't have a direct method to solve it, but we can write it as 1 by root x plus root x by root x plus x by root x, all with respect to x. The first thing can, because root x basically means what? Root x means x the power half. So that in the denominator, it can be written as negative half power. This root x will cancel. So that would become just 1. Reduce, divide each other, plus 1. Here the power is 1 and the denominator x the power is half. So 1 minus half is half. Okay. Integrate with respect to x. We have not integrated yet. Now we are integrating. The rule is power rule. X the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So that means here integral of negative half plus 1 by negative half plus 1. 1 is just a constant, so integral is x. X the power half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus c. X the power negative half plus 1 is half by half plus x. Half plus 1 is 3 by 2 plus by 3 by 2 plus c. X the power half can be written as root x, and this half in the denominator can flip and it will come here, plus x. X the power 3 by 2, but this 3 by 2 will flip and will become 2 by 3 next to it, plus c. That is your answer.